Welcome back. Today we're going to discuss the SBA 504 rates along with the 7A rates for the month of November. The 25-year term debenture for the 504 is at 6.28. The 20-year is at 6.35 and the 10-year is at 6.45. Wall Street Journal Prime has moved down to 7.75. If we look back historically, let me look at the numbers here. September was 8%, July 8.5%. May was 8.25, and now we are at 7.75 in November. So about 3 years ago, we were at 4.5. So what are the predictions? And here, prime rate is influenced by the Federal Reserve fund rates, which is adjusted to manage economic growth and control inflation. Forecasts suggest a gradual decline in prime rate over the coming months. According to projections, the prime rate may decrease 6.725 by March of 2025. So that's kind of what I saw too, is that I think that they will continue to drop a little bit, which will help everybody, all these small business owners. So we've got the 504 rates where usually the senior debt is tied to prime, and the debenture rate, which I had quoted earlier, which the debenture rate on the 25-year term is at 6.28. So that's the second lien position. The first lien is usually a product that is tied to prime plus a margin. And so the bank makes both the first and second piece. Once the debenture happens after the deal closes, whether it's construction or not, once there's certificate of occupancy, that second gets sold off in the secondary market. We call that a debenture. And that's when the rate's fixed in for 25 years if it's a 25-year term. And the senior debt is typically tied to Wall Street Journal Prime and plus a margin. So your blended rate is somewhere in the mid to high sevens, and that's a 10-year declining prepayment penalty on the second piece, the guaranteed piece. SBA 7A loan is generally a variable rate. There are fixed rate options, especially with commercial real estate, and we do have some specials right now. One of the banks I work with, for example, we'll do for commercial real estate SBA deals, we'll do a 5-year fixed. I think the rate was 7.60. So, and that's amortized over 25. The 7A's got a 3-year declining prepayment penalty with CRE versus the 504 that's got a 10-year kind of step down prepayment penalty. So different use cases. And what we do when you have a commercial real estate deal, which is an SBA type of deal, we're going to analyze, does the 7A or does this 504 make more sense for you? Anyways, that's rates for November 2024. And we'll see you next month for the last rate review of the year. So thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. And if you have any questions, go to bookwithbo.com and book a discovery call. We can talk about your SBA products, or your SBA needs rather. See you soon.
Meet Bo Eckstein, the driving force behind Business Ownership Coach, unlocking the path to business ownership. Visit www.businessownershipcoach.com. Thrive with Business Ownership Coach.
Hey guys, Bo Eckstein here. If you enjoyed what you saw, please subscribe to this channel. We talk all things financing. I've been in the lending industry for over 20 years, and I'm happy to answer your questions and provide great content.